Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, new week, new day, new puzzles on Monday, February the 13th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Well, this one is definitely a 3 stars, this one a 1 star. And two puzzles are left. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block. But you're not interested in that puzzle, but in the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 5956. Yeah, 5956. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. 4 1s and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 3 O's. 3 O's. 3 1s. Okay. Well. And now. Time for comparing, I believe. Yeah. Well, this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two 1s comes an O. Okay. 3 O's. 4. Need to compare again, I believe. But when you look to this row and that row, to the O's, here we have the first O, second O, third O. And I cannot place the O there, otherwise we will have identical rows. So this box should be a 1. Alright. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Well. And now. And look to this row and that row. Oh no, this row. Yeah. Look to the O. Oh. Look to the O's. Not this one. So this row and that row. Yeah. Look to the O's. Here we have O. The first O, second O, third O. The fourth O in this row is there. If I place the O here, then we have identical rows. So I cannot place the O there. This should be a 1 then. Here. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Compare again. Yeah. Let me compare the second column and this column. Oh, not this column, that column. One column, the wrong column I've chosen. So we have here 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, completed in 6 minutes. Alright, so I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.